Sixth question. Prove the identity. So sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. Solution. Take left hand side. Okay, we take our left hand side, we prove the right value. So sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B. Okay. So you see the denominator here, unlike denominators. So here fraction form, this is the fraction form, two terms. Okay. There is unlike denominators. Unlike denominators. So take LCM. Okay, take LCM. LCM equal to, so cos A plus cos B and sin A plus sin B. Sometimes you cross multiply. This denominator you multiply the first numerator. The first denominator you multiply in the second numerator. Okay, another way. Okay, so I follow that. Take LCM. LCM method. Okay, the LCM equal to, that's cos A plus cos B, sin A plus sin B. These are different values, unlike denominators. Okay, this is LCM. So here cos A plus cos B be the denominator. So we want the first term sin A plus sin B. So you multiply sin A plus sin B in both the places. Okay, sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B into sin A plus sin B. So both the places. And plus, that's the second term. Second term have a sin A plus sin B. Okay, second term denominator be the sin A plus sin B. So they want here this second term wants to cos A plus cos B. Okay, multiply in both places. So, okay, the cos A plus cos B multiply numerator similarly and multiply denominators. Okay, denominator. Okay, next the sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B sin A plus sin B plus second term cos A minus cos B cos A plus cos B. Okay, this multiply, this also multiply. Okay, sin A plus sin B cos A plus cos B. Okay, you see that A minus B and A plus B form. The numerators form is A minus B, A plus B. Okay, equivalent value A square minus B square. So second term also A minus B, A plus B. Okay, use the A square minus B square. So next step. So sin square A minus sin squared B divided by cos A plus cos B sin A plus sin B plus the second term also cos squared A minus sin squared A. Sorry, cos squared A minus cos squared B divided by cos A plus cos B plus sin A plus sin B. Okay, the previous term is this A is sin A minus sin B. This is A, this is a B. This is A, this is B. A minus B, A plus B. So equivalent form A square minus B square. So I wrote that form, use the form sin squared A minus sin squared B. So A square minus B square form. Sin squared A minus sin squared B. So the same denominators plus the second term. This same A square minus B square. So here A square cos squared A minus B square cos squared B. Cos squared A minus cos squared B. The same denominator. Okay, both the denominators this are like cos A plus cos B, sin A plus sin B. Here cos A plus cos B, here sin A plus sin B. So you write common denominators. Cos A plus cos B, sin A plus sin B. Okay, the numerator you write, you join the numerators. Sin squared A minus sin squared B plus cos squared A minus cos squared B. Okay, you arrange. We rearrange the terms like identities. So sin squared A plus cos squared A minus sin squared B minus cos squared B. So both is value 1. Okay, next both the term is minus, you take outside that minus, commonly take the symbols. So this value 1, so take your minus is common minus, so inside the bracket you write the element, that the trigonometry ratio, here sine square, there plus cos square, this both are identities, one of the identities, this value is 1, so 1 minus 1 divided by the same denominators. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 divided by the same denominator. 0 divided by something, 0. So therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side value. Hence it is proved. So 7th question. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3, and prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. So if, so you take the if, that's the value you take. So that is the given. So sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. This squaring both sides. So left hand side sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to root 3 whole square. Here cancel. The radical sign and the power cancel. Okay. And this the left hand side form is a plus b whole square form, equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So write a value sin square a plus b value cos square, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab. ab value sin theta cos theta equal to here 3. The power and radical cancel. So here left right hand side 3. Okay, here cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. The one is shifted to opposite side. Okay, 3 minus 1. So 2. 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2. The 2 is shifted to opposite side. Divide 2 by 2. So sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Okay, this is one of the value. And next you take a proof that left hand side tan theta, this is a given, left hand side tan theta plus cot theta. You write the tan theta value sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta value is a reciprocal, cos theta divided by sin theta. Here unlike denominator, you taking LCM. So I am not take the LCM. So the cross multiply. The sin theta I multiply the second denominator multiply in the numerator, and first denominator multiply in the second term numerators. Okay, this sin into sin, sin square, cos into cos, cos square, and finally the denominator, both the denominator you multiply, cos theta and sin theta. So that left hand side equal to this sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta is cos square theta 1. So left hand side equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta. So 1 by 1. The sin theta cos theta value already we find out. So this sin theta cos theta value 1. So you substitute the value 1 by 1 equal to 1. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. Seventh in second. If root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, then so that tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So listen, this is a given. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. The cos theta shifted to opposite side. Root 3 sin theta equal to minus cos theta, or going to opposite side plus cos theta. So next in the sin theta and the opposite side. Here multiply, both multiply. Send opposite side divide. Root 3 equal to cos theta by sin theta. So root 3 equal to the cos theta divided by sin theta value. One of the trigonometry's value. Trigonometry is used as cot theta. So root 3 equal to cot theta. So here one of the values tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. This is a reciprocal form. Tan reciprocal form cos theta. The cot 30 theta equal to this value, change the reciprocal form. root 3 by 1 root 3. So cot root 3 அப்போ cot theta equal to 30. Cot 30 degree equal to root 3. So theta equal to 30. This is theta value equal to 30. This is finished. But another way I explain that. Cot theta reciprocal form 1 by tan theta. This tan theta going to opposite side, root 3 also here opposite side. Here tan theta, root 3 here divide 1 by root 3. So tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta equal to tan 30. So 1 by root 3 equal to tan 30 degree. So theta equal to 30 degree. And next, the following steps as a homework. So you divide, you solve the problems. The third theta equal to 30 degree, you applied so that the given questions, the tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, here substitute the theta value. Here this okay, you substitute the theta value, and so finally you verified. Okay, this is one of the homework.